Hello and welcome to SW News. The coronavirus cases in the country are continuously rising. Even today, India registered record single-day hike in coronavirus cases as well as in death tolls. We at SW News are bringing you this special video series where we summarize the entire day's coronavirus updates in brief for you. Globally, coronavirus has infected 93,81,392 people and 4,80,401 people have died. In India, as of now, there are a total of 4,56,183 cases of coronavirus. 1,83,022 among them are active cases. 2,58,685 have either been cured, discharged or migrated. 14,476 have died due to coronavirus. Now, India witnessed a record single-day surge in COVID-19 infections, as I said, adding 15,968 cases in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, among the states with more than 500 deaths in the country, Gujarat has the highest death rate of 6.02%. The death toll in Maharashtra is 6 times that of Gujarat, but its death rate compared to the number of people who have been infected is less than that of Gujarat. The death rate here is 4.70%. In Madhya Pradesh, which is at the third number, the mortality rate is 4.28%. Now let's have a look at the important news related to coronavirus. After the government asked Ramdev Baba's Patanjali Ayurved to stop advertising medicines it launched yesterday as coronavirus cure until they are examined, Union Minister Shripad Naik today said that it is a good thing that the yoga teacher has given the country a new medicine, but it needs proper permission from his Ayush ministry. Now, Patanjali has sent documents related to the medicine only yesterday to the ministry. That is what he confirmed today. He also said that it is a good thing that Baba Ramdev has given a new medicine to the country, but as per the rules, it has to come to the Ayush ministry first. He even said that they have sent a report. The Ayush ministry will have a look into it and permission will be given only after seeing the report. Shripad Naik further said that anyone can make the medicines. Anyone who wants to make medicines has to go through the Ayush Ministry task force. Everyone has to send details of the research to the Ayush Ministry for confirmation. Now, this is the rule and no one can advertise their products without it. Yesterday, hours after Patanjali's widely publicized launch, the ministry asked for details of the so-called coronavirus cure kit and the trials it claimed to have conducted. On the other hand, the licensing officer from Uttarakhand government's Ayurved department said that the approval application for Coronil did not mention coronavirus at all. While talking to ANI, licensing officer said that Patanjali's Coronil application only got license of approval as an immunity booster and for cough and fever. Let's move on to next news. As Tamil Nadu's coronavirus tally crossed 64,000 mark, the state government has claimed that the native Siddha treatment for patients with no or mild symptoms has given 100% recovery rate. In Tamil Nadu, after claiming successful recovery of 25 patients at a center in Chennai, the state government is now expanding the use of Siddha treatment at the Ambedkar College of Vyasarpadi in the capital city, a coronavirus hotspot. Citing centuries of wisdom behind Siddha treatment, an ancient Tamil way of treatment, the state's development minister K. Pandiyarajan denied the validity of the argument that the move to adopt this largely unscientific medical practice would endanger the lives of patients. He said, there is a 100% success rate. We are not endangering lives. Siddha is a trump card for us and we are blending Siddha, Yoga and Ayurveda. Now, this is what the minister told NDTV. Let's move on to next news. The Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation will purchase 1 lakh antigen testing kits to ensure speedy results of suspected COVID-19 patient, an official said on Wednesday. According to a release issued on Tuesday, the civic body has initiated Mission Universal Testing, under which it will use ICMR-approved antigen testing kits that provide results within 15 to 30 minutes. These kits will be used at all civic state-run hospitals and COVID-19 treatment facilities to test suspected patients and ensure a timely treatment. At present, RT-PCR tests are being used to detect infections, but the results of antigen test will be comparatively faster, the civic body said. Municipal Commissioner Iqbal Chahal has also urged 35 major private hospitals in the city to procure the government-approved antigen testing kits and instructed the Chief Executive Officer of Medical Labs about using them. Now, according to the BMC, in a government resolution dated June 22nd, the state government has permitted the use of rapid test. The civic body has appealed to private companies and the corporate houses to buy government-approved kits to test the employees to contain the spread of infection once work resumes following ease in lockdown restrictions. Let's move on to next news. The government has relaxed norms of having in-house testing for 3 kinds of personal protective equipments to promote the supply of quality gears during the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, according to an official order. The norms have been relaxed for filter, half mask, surgical face mask and eye protector by the Bureau of Indian Standards. Earlier, license to manufacture these products was given to those having in-house testing facilities. This norm has been now relaxed and manufacturers are now required to test the samples for specified requirements in labs of BIS licensees who have in-house testing facilities or in BIS recognized or empaneled private or government labs. Now, BIS is a national standards body that functions under the Consumer Affairs Ministry. It has framed more than 25,000 quality standards for different products or services. That's all for COVID-19 update today. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं है। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर है।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.